Joining me on Times Now, it is the last phase of polling for the Lok Sabha elections and 9 seats of West Bengal will be going to polls on June 1st. BJP has set a target of 30 Lok Sabha seats out of the 42 Lok Sabha constituencies and is eyeing this South Lower Bengal, which has been a TMC bastion, as Mamta managed to win all of these 9 constituencies in 2019 elections. However, with Prime Minister Modi leading the charge for BJP, the party is confident of making a significant dent in this region. Today, Prime Minister Modi held a rally in Bengal's Barasat and Jadavpur. He will also be holding a roadshow later today, in some time from now, in Kolkata. Prime Minister Modi pitched that TMC was fighting for its existence and asserted that elections in West Bengal are going to be one-sided. It would be one of the best performing states for the BJP. The Prime Minister took on the TMC over graft and promised that the money looted from the poor would be returned to them. He also attacked TMC over the Calcutta High Court's decision to cancel all OBC certificates issued in West Bengal after 2010. He called it a proof of blatant vote bank appeasement.
बंगाल के चुनाव में टीएमसी पार्टी अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़ रही है। आपने देखा होगा पिछले असेंबली के चुनाव में हम 3 थे, 3 में से बंगाल की जनता ने हमें 80 पर पहुंचा दिया। हमें लोकसभा के अंदर भारी बहुमत पिछले चुनाव में मिला था। इस बार पूरे हिंदुस्तान में द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टेट कोई होगा तो पश्चिम बंगाल होने वाला है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सर्वाधिक सफलता पश्चिम बंगाल में मिल रही है और पश्चिम बंगाल का चुनाव एक तरफा है। जनता जनार्दन उसको लीड कर रही है और उसके कारण सरकार में बैठे हुए लोग, टीएमसी के लोग बौखलाए हुए हैं। लगातार हत्याएं हो रहे हैं, हमले हो रहे हैं। भाजपा कार्यकर्ताओं को चुनाव के पहले जेलों में बंद कर दिया जा रहा है। ये जो जमात है ना, वो पश्चिम बंगाल में क्या हो रहा है जरा यहां आकर देखो, आपकी बोलती बंद हो जाएगी। बंगाल में टीएमसी ने ओबीसी को जो धोखा दिया, उसकी कलाई कोर्ट ने खोल दी है। कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट ने कहा है कि 77 मुसलमान जातियों को ओबीसी घोषित करना ये गैर कानूनी है, असंवैधानिक है, संविधान के खिलाफ है। यानी टीएमसी ने लाखों ओबीसी नौजवानों का जो हक मिला था उनको संविधान ने दिया था, बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर ने दिया था, देश की पार्लियामेंट ने दिया था, वो ओबीसी का जो हक था, रातों रात ये वोट जिहाद वालों को मदद करने के लिए इन्होंने लूट लिया है।
On the other hand, TMC accused PM Modi of doing a BJP rally in garb of PM's rally. Trinamool chief accused the BJP of lying and using hate politics to garner votes. The party cadre accused PM Modi of depriving the state of money for development and asking people to vote for BJP.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक मीटिंग करेंगे, रैली करेंगे, कर सकते हैं, हमारा कोई एतराज नहीं है। जितना भी पॉलिटिकल लोग रैली करें बंगाल में है, हमारा क्या एतराज है। लेकिन एडवर्टाइजमेंट देके प्राइम मिनिस्टर रैली करेंगे, बीजेपी का फोटो लगा के, बीजेपी का सिंबल लगा के, एक करेक्ट है? नहीं है। दिस इज रॉन्ग। आप बोलिए कि यू आर एज ए प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बीजेपी आप कर रहे हैं, लीडर एट बीजेपी कर रहा है। हमको इधर में चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं लिखा है। क्यों इतना झूठा ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं?
जब आपने विधानसभा चुनाव में जब आप हार गए 2021 से आज तक आपने बंगाल को एक भी रुपया नहीं दिया है मनरेगा या आवास योजना के लिए। ऐसा क्यों मोदी जी? दूसरा सवाल, भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता जिन्होंने ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर की मूर्ति को तोड़ा था, इसके लिए क्या भाजपा ने माफी मांगी है? क्या आपने माफी मांगी है? तीसरा सवाल, हमारे पूजनीय मां शारदा को जिस तरह से भाजपा ने अपमान किया है, इसके लिए क्या माफी मांगी है भाजपा ने? क्या आपने माफी मांगी है? चौथा सवाल, स्वामी विवेकानंद को जिस तरह से आपके बड़े नेता ने मार्क्स
Let's open this up. China NC, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Pratim Ranjan Bose, senior journalist and columnist, Dr. Shantanu Sen, the national spokesperson of the TMC, completes the panel. Good evening, all of you. China NC, the TMC is dismissing the confidence and the claims of Prime Minister Modi. The Prime Minister says that Bengal performance will be the best for the BJP. Look what we achieved in assembly elections from 3 to 80 seats. What do you think is giving this confidence to your party?
Most definitely, I'm in agreement with what Honorable Prime Minister has said. Do you know that the tally of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the current scenario, 2019 election, if you see, not only has escalated, but the fact that we have 18 members of parliament, the target is clearly to have 30 of the 42. And that is as far as the parliamentary election goes. As far as the assembly election goes, from a mere 3 to reach 80 shows you the best performance of the Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal for reasons best known to the voter. The voter has reposed faith in Prime Minister Modi on multiple accounts. On the one hand, you have the TMC that has not been able to adhere to law and order, and you have seen even our women Karyakarta in Nandigram lose life, a 38-year-old Ranjita Ari. I think that is the most dismal situation for women's safety, despite having a woman chief minister. On the other hand, you see the law and order when it comes to even festivals like Ram Navami, etc. So there is a crisis brewing in West Bengal. It is brewing because the state government does not work with the center, works against everything that Prime Minister Modi has stood for, whether it's the Labharti schemes that have percolated down to the poorest of poor, that in West Bengal we see the resistance, and an adamant TMC which is only working on its aggressive style of booth capturing, aggressive style of taking law into their hands, and aggressive style of not giving women safety security. And really, if you look at the case and study of the West Bengal trajectory of Mamata Banerjee, I think it's sad that as a woman leader, she has not even been able to give our women safety. And Sandesh Khali is a case in point. So yes, from 3 to 80 is a great trajectory for the BJP. From 18, we're hoping to cross 30 this time, and I think our Prime Minister has only spelled out the development plan for West Bengal. He has made it clear that we are not into Tushtikaran and appeasement politics. We are here to ensure that Viksit Bharat and a dream of a progressive India has an integral part of West Bengal, and in that sense, it is a double engine.
Okay, let me bring in Mr. Bose. Mr. Bose, who is reading Bengal right? Is it the TMC? Is it the BJP? What is your assessment?
Can you please repeat the question? There was a problem with the sound.
Yes, sir. All I want to know from you is that who is reading Bengal right? What is your assessment of the claims made by the two parties, the BJP and the TMC?
Well, I cannot hear you properly, but what I can understand is I'm just going with it. This election, the TMC is definitely under pressure. But we will know how much it is once the results are out. There are a couple of issues on which, the amount of scams have definitely dented the image. I think for a politician, here the fight was between Mr. Modi and Ms. Mamata Banerjee. So two very popular politicians. And for the moment, Mamata's popularity has been dented definitely because of the scams and because of various other things. I think the last major faux pas that she did was attacking Hindu monks. That was big. that was really big. The Sandesh Khali issue was one thing, but I don't think that BJP could make it a statewide issue. But the TMC, by trying to needle it, they revived it. But the Monk one was a self goal. And with that, as we are entering into the last phase here, and very significantly where the Prime Minister will do his roadshow today, is the same way on which the monks did come up on streets a couple of days ago. The local media tried to, just keep it down, but the fact is that it had created an impact. So let us see. This time, the ultimate test will be whether BJP can dent into Calcutta and its surroundings. And couple of seats are among the probables.
Now, what do you make, Mr. Bose? If you can hear me more clearly, sir, what do you make of what the Prime Minister has said? In an interview today, he said that people will be surprised with the verdict in Bengal. This will be the BJP's best from all states. What do you think is giving him this confidence?
Difficult to say, Pranesh, because in election time, leaders go do a lot of things to create the confidence, which is, of course, necessary. Mamata Banerjee has also been claiming that she has won the polls, and all these things are happening. But the ground situation is definitely the best for BJP. I do guarantee, that much I know. Converting that into votes in West Bengal perspective is a difficult or different context. I can say this much.
Okay, Shaina, you wanted to come in, but I have a question. I'm sure you're aware of what Mamata Banerjee had said about PM.
Yeah.
He said Modi should not be referred to as PM in BJP poll campaign, and that after polls, he will anyways not be on the chair.
Wishful thinking is all I can say. Whether it's Mamata Banerjee or the 150 times that the Congress party has absolutely abused the Honorable Prime Minister, that does a disservice to the chair of the Prime Minister. And please understand, retaining a seat or not is not the prediction of Mamata Banerjee. It is the decision of the voter of this country. You have 140 crore Indians who have voted for Prime Minister Modi because they have seen change in their life. When 55 crore families get 5 lakh each for Ayushman Bharat, when 13 crore women get a Shauchalaya under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, when there are 11 crore women who get Ujjwala gas cylinders, when there are crores and crores of Indians that have benefited through the 680 medical colleges or the 22 AIIMS or the 149 airports or the railways, this touches the lives of all Indians.
No, but
and the
Shaina,
Prime
you were
Minister has
talking,
gone to the
you were talking about the beneficiary schemes and how the policies of the central government has ensured that the benefits reach the grassroots. Now, there is a scheme in Bengal. It's called Lakshmi Bhandar scheme. And the TMC believes that it is the game changer. In fact, if you've seen, even Suvendu Adhikari, for that matter, Amit Shah, they've had to say that if we come to power, we will not stop the scheme, we will only increase the allocation.
Look, nobody here is for 1 minute interested in stopping good work. If a scheme helps women of a state, or for that matter, any Labharti, I think that it needs to be encouraged, and our Prime Minister is statesman enough to do so. The Prime Minister has not gone in a personal attack of Mamata Banerjee, irrespective of her type of work, whether it was Nandigram, where our Karyakarta lost life, or whether it was Sandesh Khali. He has only talked progressive politics. Look at what the TMC and the Congress do on the other hand. They keep talking about appeasement politics. They have done nothing but appeasement. For years and years, to have the Muslims and the Dalits subjugated as a vote bank shows you their viewpoint and shows you what their vision is for India. On the other hand, the Prime Minister is a man on a mission. These are people on destruction.
Okay.
Man on the mission is working not for headlines.
Let's get a reaction from the TMC. Finally, Dr. Shantanu Sen is with us on the panel. Dr. Shantanu Sen, is the TMC facing an existential crisis in Bengal?
The party which is getting tremendous support in each and every election, the party that is getting elected by thumping majority in each and every election. In 2011, the party came into power with 184 seats. After 5 years, in 2016, it became 211 seats. After another 5 years, it became 213 seats. And now the number has become even more, is nearly 225 or 30 seats. In each and every panchayat election, municipality election, parliament election, by-election, everywhere people at large of the Bengal, they are supporting, they are giving their good wishes, their blessings, their support towards Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee led Trinamool Congress. On the other hand, BJP, they are losing their ground every day. This Mr. Prime Minister came in 2021 before assembly election and they started shouting, "Ab ki baar 200 par." They got stuck at 77 and it has come down to nearly 65. So the party TMC, who is gaining support every day, and the party BJP, who is losing ground every day, how can BJP comment upon this popularity of
Okay.
Trinamool Congress?
Okay.
Trinamool Congress is one of the most popular political parties in the country, and it happens to be the third largest political party
Right.
and second largest opposition.
Let's see what happens on June 4th. Before we end, Mr. Bose wanted to quickly say something. Sir, please, 30 seconds.
Things. One is this habit of winning, quote unquote, which was a forced win, enforced win, is putting TMC in trouble. They are in trouble. They were in trouble in 2019 because of a rigged 2018 election. They will be in trouble because of this one-sided rule. But I do agree with you, Lakshmi Bhandar is the sole plank that Mamata has in this election. And particularly the women vote, we have to see how much of it had reached a peak in 2021. Whether it remains there or whether it moves up is to be seen.
Okay, Shaina NC, Mr. Bose, Shantanu Sen, thank you for joining us on Times Now. Let's see what happens on June 4th.